Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Verizon Vehicle data plans, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the official Verizon website. On the home page, navigate to the wireless section located in the top menu. Scroll down until you find the vehicle or connected car options. Click on the vehicle link to learn more about the available data plans. Review the different data plan options and their features. Select the plan that best suits your needs. You will be prompted to sign in to your Verizon account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing in, fill out the necessary information about your vehicle. Provide any required details, such as the vehicle identification number, VIN. Review your selected data plan and the associated fees. Once everything looks correct, proceed to checkout. Enter your payment information to finalize your subscription. After completing the payment process, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow any additional instructions in the email to activate your service. You can manage your subscription through the Verizon account dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.